Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. Nestled amongst the trees, you will find this 4-bedroom Breezy Point home. Check your wish list with these features: main floor laundry, vaulted ceilings, full master bathroom with separate jetted tub and shower, open floor plan, central air, attached heated and insulated garage, 80-gallon water heater, large deck overlooking your private backyard, beautifully landscaped, walkout family room, full bathroom downstairs, lockable storage room under stairs with solid core door, and abuts dedicated city green space.